Don't be so kepo.
What you mean by don't be so kepo?
Easy. Stick to it.
Hello, Hantu's here. Hi, I'm Elena from Hantu is Cooking, and today we are going to make curry chicken. I'm cooking for 8 days, including a friend of mine that's coming. So let's get going. So I have about 2 kilos of chicken here, and I got some Baba meat curry powder. So what I would do is I'll put about a tablespoon or 2. Okay, I can add more curry later, but let's just mix this up and marinate it a little bit. Okay, so let's marinate a bit of chicken curry. Nicely wrapped. So this will help infuse more flavors of the curry later into the chicken. Okay, marinate, massage. Just have a little bit of a touch of meat, and yeah. Just give it a little dry rub. Massage it a little bit, give it some loving, some happiness, some joy. You know, just have fun. I feel like cooking, we just need to really have fun and everything will just work out. So, yeah. Alright, and just leave this for about 10 minutes or so and you're done. Alright? Alright, so, the next step. What are the ingredients that we need? Water. I do not need to use all the water. I just use as much as I want or as much as I need. And then I have more curry powder just in case. These are curry leaves. What I do to store them is that I freeze them and I just use them when I want to. And of course the Hantu, Garam Assam paste. So I put this because I put them inside my container, so it's easier for me. But when I sell it, I usually put the packages like this. This is sambal tumis. I have 3 different pastes: chili garam, sambal tumis, and garam assam. So today we are using the garam assam paste, and of course potatoes. So this is actually a last minute decision. So yeah, my dad wanted to eat curry chicken together with prata. So we'll see. Daddy Hantu, what makes a good prata?
What's make good prata?
Yes.
I don't make the prata. You buy the dough, you cook it, you know, eat coconut oil, become very, very crispy. Eat it, Nyonya chicken curry, oh, best.
Why not you just use normal oil? Why must you use coconut oil?
Coconut oil is healthy, it can stand very high temperature.
So our normal cooking oil can't stand that very high temperature, is it?
Yeah, the core of coconut oil is the best. You can stand high temperature, and it gives you very good fragrance, antioxidant, very healthy. I find that cooking coconut oil, it gives you very good crispy. It gives you a good fragrance.
So for Papa Hantu, to make a fragrant, crispy prata and make a really good prata, use coconut oil. Papa Hantu endorse. Thumbs up?
Aye.
Thumbs up? Yeah. Hi Mickey. So what are you having?
I'm having prata telur egg. Telur egg prata made by Uncle Chef Tong.
Papa Hantu.
Papa Hantu. Nah.
So this is bird nest prata, that's what they call it.
Can I start now?
Yes, please.
Oh, honestly, this curry chicken, right, made me think of my grandma. So homely, I feel so much love from this family. Thank you so much, Anna. So this is the potato. Some chicken. This one, 2 pieces. I like curry. Ready? Wow.
What do you mean by nice?
It's like, I don't know, is this so...
Is it too spicy?
No, not too spicy for me. Just, yeah, not too spicy, but the taste is just, I think, none for me lah. Right? I don't know how to describe, but you can see my face expression. Yeah! You guys should try one day if Elena cook curry chicken, ah.
That one you have to ask Papa Hantu to cook also.
Papa Hantu? Papa Hantu? Papa Hantu still cooking.
Too busy.
Yeah.